Alright, here at KTAuthentics.com, we're going to actually do one box for Bama2014 of Super Break, 19 of 200. I'm going to have to change the view of this camera because this is a very big box. So give me a minute, guys. Should have set this up before I even started recording, but hey, we live and learn, right? So I got to put it this way, guys. Alright, because the box is kind of big. Alright, I'll try to do what I can. So here we go. Good luck. Alrighty, here we go, man. Good luck to you. There's one underneath here. How you want to do this, Mama? Do you want me to show you the cards or the memorabilia first? I'm trying to. Oh my God! Of course, it's got to be in my face. Bling first, please. Bling is what? Okay. Well, Kyrie Irving. PSA DNA. First one. Mama, we're gonna have to work something. Maybe. Oh my God! This is not the case, man. Are you kidding me? This is gonna suck. I wonder who that is. Chris Paul. It's actually a Steiner. Swingman signed red jersey. Chris Paul. At least I did it right this time. It's a Chris Paul. That's really cool, man. Chris Paul. Alright, do we have any other ones? No. Alright, I'm going to try to situate these cards down here. We'll take this thing out. Holy shit. Mama, you did awesome in this case, man. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's go with the SBA card. The SBA card is Wilt Chamberlain. It's a Wilt Chamberlain SBA card. The next one is we'll do this one. You get a Larry Bird Inductions 98. I think that's a Leaf card, number 6 of 50. 6 of 50 on that one. Okay, we got let's do, what's that guy? We can do this one next. We got an Upper Decked Ray Allen. KTAuthentics. This one's not numbered though. It's going to be a nice case. You haven't even seen the best. Oh, the best card's going to come out soon. But by the way, I'm going to keep pulling these out, guys, and I won't even show you the best card. So here you go. There's another one. Kevin Love. Having a monster year. Kevin Love. Nice little band right there. This is number 64 of 75. So, and then you have, we can do this next. Blake Griffin Flawless, 18/20. We have to talk about this card. You know he's my PC. So Blake Griffin Flawless, 18/20, right there. You know someone that likes Griffin? Alright. That's not even the best card yet. We got a 9/5/10 Damian Lillard Leaf. This is like in almost every one of them. Alright, second to last card. Second to last card. Look at this. Notable nameplates. 8/25 Julius Erving. I can't, is it focusing? So 8/25. Oh, come on. It's not focusing right, is it? 8/25. Nice little patch. Upper deck. On card auto. What up, Andy? Alright, the best card, but I gotta take it out of the case. I gotta take it out of the case if you want to see it because it's a book. But the book is awesome, man. I'll show you this right now. You ready? Okay. You actually tell me if you want me to take it out of the book so you can see it. Michael Jordan dual autograph Julius Erving card. Book. Michael Jordan, Julius Erving. Dual autograph. You wanted me to take it out to show it to you? Let me know. Bama, you want me to take it out? Yeah? Okay. I'm trying to be careful with it. Oh my God. 27/40. Gold ink. Wow. Michael Jordan. And Julius Erving. 27/40. That's a pretty awesome box, man. We'll go through it one more time. Put that back in there. No problem. Thank you, man. All right, we're going to go through real quick everything that we got, okay? Just want to do a real quick recap. Put the box away. So this is out of box 19/200. Real quick, do a recap. All right, so we got the Kyrie Irving jersey, custom jersey. Kyrie custom red jersey. We got the Chris Paul swingman jersey. Chris Paul swingman jersey, authenticated by Steiner. On the cards, we got the Wilt Chamberlain. We got the Wilt Chamberlain sketch card. We got the Larry Bird Induction 98 card, Leaf. We got the Ray Allen KTAuthentics. I wonder if this is his rookie. I didn't even look. This is from what year? $2000? Does that say 2000? Yeah, 2000. That's 2000. I don't know, and he was on the Bucks. So I don't know if that's a rookie year. Not his rookie year? Okay, I didn't know. You have a Kevin Love from Immaculate, 64 of 75. 64 of 75. Then you have a Blake Griffin Flawless, 18 of 20. 18 of 20. You have the Damian Lillard, 9.5/10 from Leaf. From Leaf, 9.5/10. Then you have the Julius Erving, 8 of 25. 8 of 25. On card with a patch. It's notable nameplates. And then your dual autograph book of Michael Jordan and Dr. J. And we'll put it out one more time for you guys to see. That's number 27 of 40. Pretty nice. There you go. Thanks, Bama. Appreciate it. Congratulations on all your hits.